Exercise 2.5. First question. Write the following in the form of 5 power n. First question is 625. So, we use factorization method to write in the form of 5 power n. Okay. So, we take factors for 625. So, this is a multiple of 5. So, we take 5 table. So 5 table, 5 ones are 5, remaining 1, so 12, 2 5s are 10, remainder 2, 25, 5 5s are 25. Again it is multiples of 5, so 5, 5 2s are 10, remainder 2, 25, 5 5s are 25, so again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So 625 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 power 4. Second question, 1 square root of 125. That we write it as 125 square root means power half. Okay. So 125 we take factors. Already is there. But one more time I'll write 125. 5 2s are 10, remainder 2, 25, 5 5s are 25, so 5 5s are 5 1s are 5, okay, so 1 2 3, so 120 is 5 to the power 3 to the whole power half, that is 5 power 3 into 1, 3, so 3 by 2, okay. Next, second question. Write the following in the form of 4 power n. So we take factors for 16. Use 4. Okay. So 16 means 4 4s are 16. So 4 1s are. So 16 is equal to 1 2. So 4 power 2. Third question. Find the value of 49 to the power half, that is square root of 49. Okay, so we know that 7 squares are 49, so we write the answer as 7. Okay, because 49 we take factors means 7 7s are 49, so 7 power 2, that we write it as 7 power 2, that is this power. Okay, so 2 2 cancel, so the answer is 7, or either you write like this or this. Okay, so next, second question, 243 to the power 2 by 5. So 243 we take factors. This is an odd number, so 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 9, sum of the digit is 9, it is a multiple of 3, so we take factors for 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Okay, again 81 we take factors, 3 2s are 6, remainder 1, 21, 3 7s are 21, again it is 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, 5 3s are, that is equal to 243, sorry, 3 power 5, 243 we write it as 3 power 5 and the whole power of 2 by 5. So this 5 into 2 by 5 like this. Okay, so the answer is 3 power 2, that is equal to 3 into 3 9. Next, fourth question, use a fractional index to write root 5. So root 5 we write it as 5, the square root, so we write it as 5 to the power half. Next, cube root of 49. So 49 we write it as 7 square. 7 squared is 49. So cube root means to the power 1 by 3 to the whole power of 5. Okay, so that is equal to 7. First we write 7 square. Next 1 by 3 into 5. It is 1 by 3 into 5 means 5 power 5 by 3. Okay, that is equal to 7. 2 into 5 by 3. So 2 into 5, 10 by 3. Okay. Next, fifth question. Find the fifth root of 32. So we take factors for 32. It is an even number. So we take 2. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 1. 12. 2 6 are 12. So again 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the fifth root. So fifth root of 32 we write like this. Okay. Fifth root of 32 is equal to 2. Next, 1024 divided by 3125. We take factors for numerator and denominator separately. Okay. So first we take factors for 1024. This is an even number. So we take 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Again it is multiple of 2. So 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 11. 2 5s are 10. Remainder 1. So 12. 2 6 are 12. So again 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. 16. 2 8s are 16. So 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 into 16. 2 into 8. 2 into 4. 2 into 2. 2 into 1. Okay. Next 3 1 2 5. It is a multiple of 5. So we take factors in the 5th table. So 5 6 are 30. Remainder 1 12. 5 2s are 10. Remainder 2. 5 5s are 25. So again 5. 5 1s are 5. Remainder 1 12. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. So again 5 25s are 125. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So we find fifth root. So it is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, but 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 2s are here. So we take 2 together. Okay, so we write it as 2 into 2 4. So it is the fifth root is 4. So we write it as 4 power 5 divided by 5 power 5. Okay, so fifth root of 1024 by 3125 is equal to 4 divided by 5. Okay, thank you students.